Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to make a very simple dal recipe with moringa. So let's begin. To make this recipe, I'm taking some moong dal. It's about 1 cup of moong dal that I have washed properly. I also have some sprouted whole moong and chana dal that I will be adding along with the dal. Here I have a handful of moringa leaves that I will chop properly and will be adding it. Adding water as needed. Pinch of turmeric powder. Salt as per taste. And give this a mix to see if we need more water. I don't want the dal to be very thick, so adding little more water and will allow this to cook in medium flame for 2 whistles. Once done, allow the dal to cool down and then keep this aside and start preparing a tempering. I am adding about 2 spoons of mustard oil, some finely chopped garlic cloves, pinch of 5 spices or panch phoron, 2 fresh green chilies, and will allow this to cook. I am also adding pinch of fennel seeds for that extra taste. Adding half a tablespoon of ginger paste and mix everything well with the help of a spoon just to ensure we do not have raw taste of ginger or garlic in our tempering. Allow everything to cook for a few more minutes and once done, add it in the dal. Mix everything well. And here we have our healthy sprouts and moringa dal all ready. You can have this for lunch or dinner. That was all for today's video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do make sure to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Until we meet next time, stay healthy and happy. Bye-bye.